Optoma ML330, which is the ultra portable HD ready projector, which is designed so you can sort of take it to your friends and watch movies and share content on your phone or tablet. Its resolution is 2080 by 800 WXGA, and it's a DLP chip. It's got about 500 lumens, and I'm in a darkened room projecting on a screen for my UHD 40, and I'll show you, because I'm recording this on my phone, but I'll also show you, I'll record some video actually showing you sort of kind of how I'm recording it. So I'm using my tablet. So as you can see, here's the projector. It's about 100 or so inches away from the screen, and you've got quite a large image. I couldn't put my camera, my phone camera, right in front, because the reason being is it actually projects very short. It's kind of short throw, so it's pretty impressive, and it's actually quite bright for what it is. So as you can see, that's what I'm recording on my phone, and I'm having to put the projector there. But I just wanted to sort of show you in terms of the size of the actual projection that you're getting. So I'm recording this on my tablet at the same time. But yeah, in terms of portability, it's really good. However, and now I will go back to the phone. However, there are some issues, and I hate to start off with some negatives, but we'll just get that in focus a bit more. Yeah, let's start off with some negatives. I hate to do that, but they are really big elephants in the room. I'm having, or have had, huge problems with their apps. Now, I know this is kind of common for things like this, where, you know, just the included apps are clunky, and they just do not work very well. Like the YouTube app, I try and select something like whatever. We'll just select something at random, Jimmy Kimmel, say, and I'm pressing the button. Look, I'm pressing the button and nothing happens. And I've made sure everything is updated, all the software and firmware on this device is updated. And this seems to be kind of common for all the apps that are on it. We've got Netflix that just comes up with some errors. We try this Aptoid TV service, which comes up, and some of it's kind of clunky, but you can kind of download apps and what have you. That's kind of useful, but again, a lot of them are very clunky. Showbox is like a streaming service where you can rent movies, and I've updated all these apps. I've made sure they're up to date. On this one, you get a lot of requests to install stuff you just do not want, so you have to go back. And I try and select something. Once again, you know, I'm trying to move and try and select something, but I can scroll through, but I don't know what I'm highlighting. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm pressing on the OK button to action something, but nothing comes up. So again, you know, the apps are really clunky and just simply don't work as advertised. The only thing that does work, and again it's a bit clunky, is the fact that you can share content that's on your device. So I can mirror what's on my device. So this is my tab, my Galaxy tab, and I can, you know, share content and whatnot. So it's, you know, pretty straightforward. You know, I can show my tab if I want, or I can stop that mirroring and I can move to sharing content. So for instance, I can share an image, can share photos. You know, there's one I did of some bathroom work I was doing, but you can kind of show images and share video and what have you. It all works pretty well. I can share music, and it's got a built-in speaker, and it's okay. This is just what's on my Samsung tablet, but it's okay. It's pretty loud. It's got quite good bass for such a tiny thing. So, you know, but the thing is, and you can share video, like I've got this thing of a pig. The video's crappy because it's a crappy download, but you can share basically what's ever on your device. You can have it mirroring what's on your device. I can have it showing the camera. So this is actually my tablet, and it's showing everything. It's got that weird effect, which is pretty cool, you know. But most of the time people will want to consume content from their device to the projector, or actually using the apps on the projector, which I believe is key. So, you know, we've got a YouTube app which I can use on my phone, on my tablet for instance. But if I press play, and this is using their sharing app, I press play and nothing happens. So it doesn't stream it to the device. I can't use the apps on there because they're so clunky. So the only way I can recommend using this device is to plug it directly into a HDMI cable, and I've only got a very short one. So what I'm going to have to do, because of the annoyance of this, is plug it in, get a longer HDMI cable, because I don't have one that's long enough that's going to project on a wide screen, and then do this review again. So unfortunately for now, and I'll try and get some support from Optoma on this, because they sent me this to review. But for now, I'm going to have to hold off on the review and sort of stop it there because of things being clunky, the app's not working as they claim, just things not working great. And I'm sure once I've got it connected on a HDMI lead to, you know, my computer, my AV unit, it'll be fine. But the idea of this is that it's portable. And at the moment, the apps that would make it portable and great aren't great at all. And the way of connecting your device, you see in the top right, there's an IP address. You enter that, and it's a local one, and it connects to the device, and then you download the app to your tablet or phone, and rather than going through the store, so you don't go through the store or anything. So we'll get back, we'll continue this review again when we've got more information. Okay guys, I'm Stu, this is 3B.